All right, at 5:08, with temperatures finally less than 100 degrees, fall is now slowly coming to Houston. We will take it.
Yeah, but with that brings itchy eyes and, of course, that runny nose.
I've lived in Texas my whole life, and I've always suffered from really bad congestion.
While the Texas allergy season seems to last all year long, you may especially notice it more now through the end of the year. If that's not bad enough news, you may remember last week an FDA panel found that a key ingredient in some over-the-counter decongestants is not effective. So if you suffer from allergies, doctors say nasal rinses and sprays may be your best bet.
If they're doing nasal rinses on a daily basis in the evenings during their worst season, that can help not only treat but also prevent symptoms. And then also leaning into the nasal steroid spray, so like the Flonase, Nasacort, Rhinocort, because those are going to help kind of decrease the inflammation.
Now remember, this is very important to note. If you are using a nasal rinse like a neti pot, those are very common, you have to use distilled or sterile water. Using water straight from the tap could lead to a deadly bacterial infection, and we have heard of people dying because of that.
Yeah, you scared me with that one. I always use distilled water, and you asked an important question while we were listening to that interview. The nasal spray that you can get over the counter is pretty good. You used to have a prescription for it, but especially that Flonase, very, very effective. But you have to use it for at least a month to really see those results. But people don't use it long enough to find out.
But you can't get addicted.
You don't get
it.
addicted.
Okay.
No,
Correct.
Kimberly,
Yes.
you're right. You know what? The last allergy story that I did, the ENT told me the same thing. He said a lot of what we use now used to be prescription. So use the Flonase. I know.
Yep.
That's
Good
what we
stuff.